Hello students, today we are going to solve first numerical of specific energy. Question is given as find the specific energy of flowing water through a rectangular channel of width 5 meter when the discharge is 10 meter cube per second and depth of water is 3 meter. Now we have to calculate the specific energy of flowing water here. Now first we will write all the given quantities, which will be equals to width of the rectangular channel, that is 5 meter, discharge will be equals to 10 meter cube per second, and depth of water will be equals to 3 meter. Now we know that specific energy will be equals to h plus v square upon 2g. Velocity will be equals to discharge upon area, which will be equals to 10 upon b into h. On putting the value of b and h here, that is 5 into 3. Now the value of v will be equals to 2 by 3, which is shown here. Now we will put the value of h and v here, so it will be equals to 3 plus 2 by 3 whole square upon 2 into 9.81. On solving this, we will have the value of E equals to 3.0226 meter. That will be the specific energy of flowing water. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.